Hello, our presentation is on Call of Duty. My name is Jacob Heberle.
I'm Kobe Roan.
I'm Richard Mussett.
Call of Duty is a first-person shooter. First-person shooter games require players to develop a flexible mindset to rapidly react to fast-moving visual and auditory stimuli, and to switch back and forth between different subtasks.
Call of Duty is on many different platforms. They include PC, mobile, console, and VR.
Call of Duty is a team-based game where you have to work together with teammates to be victorious. It can be played with many different sized teams, but is primarily played in 6v6.
There were over 100 million monthly active players for COD 4 2020. Over 250 million people played Call of Duty globally in 2020, and COD is the second highest selling video game in franchise.
The game developers and publishers, the developers were Infinity Ward starting in 2003, then they brought on Treyarch in 2005, and then Sledgehammer Games in 2011, and Activision has always published Call of Duty.
Purpose and goal. Call of Duty multiplayer combines a fluid momentum-based movement system, player-focused map design, deep customization, and a new combat system to create an intense gameplay experience. COD offers a new game mode called Warzone. Whether you're playing alone or as a team, your overall objective in Warzone is to become the last operator standing.
How the game is played. Call of Duty consists of many different game modes which will alter the strategy of your team. The game is usually played at a high pace. This requires high reflex time and quick thinking. Teams communicate their positions on the map. For example, in a game of domination where the objective is to capture and hold points, the team will have defenders and capturers. To be successful in COD, you must be able to process enemy strategies and counter their efforts with quick decision making.
History of Call of Duty. Call of Duty is one of the most impactful franchises in gaming history. Starting out in 2003, Call of Duty first focused their games set in World War II and the other World War. Over time, the series were set in the midst of the Cold War, futuristic worlds, and outer space. These games were first developed by Infinity Ward, then Treyarch, and Sledgehammer Games. The most recent Call of Duty, Vanguard, was released in 2021.
Leagues and tournaments for Call of Duty. This consists of a couple teams. We have Atlanta FaZe, Boston Breach, and other well-known ones like Optic.
Here's our sources, and thank you.